Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome to today mathematics likely question and answer for this upcoming WAEC examination, NECO and what examination. So this question I had for you today, this likely question I want to show you today now how you can solve it for this upcoming WAEC examination. So if this is the first time watching my video or visit my channel, do well to subscribe, like, and the button in case we have a need video like this. Okay. And in case you want to watch a previous video, it means a previous video, and you wish to watch a previous video, you can check in the description below. You see the link that will direct you to our previous video so you can be able to watch it. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's look how you can solve this question now. Okay, the question for this is that the sum to infinity of a geometric progression is minus 1 over 10. And the first time is minus 1 over 8. Find the common ratio of the word progression. So we want to find the common ratio. So in this question now, assuming you watch our previous video based on this particular topic called geometric progression. So I gave you formula to calculate the sum to infinity. The formula states that we have our sum to infinity is equal to a over 1 minus what? R. So this is the formula to calculate our sum to infinity. And in this place, we are giving sum to infinity as what? As 1 over what? 10. So it means that this one, this one is sum of infinity. We have this is our first time and it's our common ratio. So our sum to infinity is given as what? Minus 1 over what? 10. So in this place we have our first time, and let's say that the first time is what? It's minus 1 over 8. So which means our a is equal to what? Minus 1 over what? 8. So here we have common ratio a. So here we are told to find what? Find the common ratio, which means that our r is what? Is unknown. So the question mark, we want to find the common ratio out of this what? Out of this formula. So in this place, it's very simple to do now. Let's just input our data into the formula we have here. So you have sum to infinity, you have 10 over or 1 minus 10 minus 1 over 10. That's given at this. According to this one, we have minus 1 over what? 10 is equal to our a is what? 1 minus 1 over 8. That's minus 1 over what? 8 divided by, we have this one minus our common ratio that is r. So in this place now, you can, since this one is in fraction, you can make this one also what? In fraction. So this one and this part that what they are in fraction now. And okay, now let's change this one, this division into a multiplication now. So if you want to change the division into multiplication, if we talk to an inverse of the second part here, this one will go up while this one comes down. So in this place now, this one now became 1 minus 1 over 10 is equal to, we have minus 1 over 8 multiplied by 1 over what? 1 minus r. So in this place, now what we just here, let's multiply this one. Minus 1 times 1, which is giving us what? 1. So here we have minus 1 over 10 is equal to 1 times 1, that is minus 1 over 8 times this. That's 8 into bracket 1 minus what? R. Let's close the bracket here. So in this place, and let's open the bracket we have here. Minus 1 over 10 is equal to minus 1 divided by, let me do it like this. 8 times 1, we have 8 times 1, we have 8. 8 times minus r, that's what? Minus what? 8r. So what we just do here is very simple. This place, since this part we have two parts here. This first part here, minus 1 over 10. And second part here, we have what? Minus 1 over what? Divided by 8 minus 8r. So in this place now, you can see this one and this one in fraction, and they're separated by what? Equal to, you can cross what? Cross multiply. So in this place, if you cross multiply, we get an answer like this. That's minus 1 multiplied by this, and this one minus 1 multiplied by the what? This 10. So this one becomes minus 1 times this is also the same thing as 8 minus this. Okay, let me put it like this. Minus 1 into bracket 8 minus 8r plus bracket equal to minus 1 times 10, that gives us minus 10. So in this place, let's open the bracket. So minus 1 times 8, that gives us minus what? 8. Minus times minus, we have plus what? 8 what? R equal to minus what? 10. So in this place, as we have a number here, we have a number here. So collect the lifetime. So let's take this minus say to this side. So this minus is turned to what? Plus when it comes to this side. So this one we have our 8r now is equal to minus 10 plus what? 8. So in this place, we have minus 10 plus 8. So minus 1 plus 8 gives what? As minus what? 2. So therefore now this one became 8r is equal to what? Minus what? 2. So in order to make out this common the Sawyer formula, because we're looking for the common ratio, which is out. To make out the Sawyer formula, here we divide both sides coefficient of out. And the coefficient of out is what? It is 8 now. So we divide both sides by what? By 8. Divide both sides by what? 8. So 8 cancel 8 here. We have our out is equal to 2 is coming to about 2 here, 1, 2 here, we have 4. Out is equal to minus what? 1 over what? 4. So our common ratio is equal to what? Minus 1 over what? 4. So our common ratio for this question is equal to minus 1 over 4. So this is how you solve for this question. And if you understand any part of this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notification button. And thank you very much. Bye for now.